Today we are going to learn a new technology, that is Vibro. This is an emerging trend in wireless communication. Vibro is one of the emerging wireless technologies for portable internet services, which are designed to enable mobile broadband access based on an experimental examination of consumer preferences for mobile broadband technologies and an estimation of the future demand for Vibro. The Vibro is a specific subset of the 802.16 standards, specially focusing on supporting for full mobility of wireless access systems with OECD. What is Vibro? Vibro stands for Wireless Broadband Internet. It can realize lower cost, higher speed than mobile phone internet and add mobility. This Vibro services can be given as three platforms, that is entertainment, information, commerce and finance. In entertainment, large volume like videos and media, audios and real-time streaming broadcastings and 3D network games and multimedia messaging. In information level, web browsing, file downloading, interactive news and information, distance education and media online classes and home networking. And commerce and in finance level, m-commerce, mobile commerce and mobile banking, mobile trending and mobile interactive advertisement, finance, field, agent services, biz solutions, satellite, etc. In specification of Vibro, Vibro supports with the data rates between 20 Mbps and 50 Mbps. It is distinguished by the handover and may it speeds exceeding 100 km per receive. The Vibro wireless cells have a radius of 1 to 5 kilometers, as the transmission frequencies using the Koreans and Japanese a 100 MHz band to 2.3 GHz. Technically, Vibro transmission work with a scalable SOFDM, OFDMA with 2048 subcarriers. Vibro offers service quality of servicing, making it even forecasting for streaming, media and VoIP interesting. And it supports third generation mobiles such as UMTS will be considered. In order to for the wireless broadcasting technology, it is developed to solve the problem of speed limitation of mobile phone, and attaching the broadband connection it can provide mobility up to 74.5 miles per hour and a moving device. These are the advantages. WiMAX provides a broadband space for voice, data and video applications. WiMAX reaching coverage area up to 10 miles. WiMAX provides the wide coverage, high capability of low cost, and WiMAX standards based on WiMAX products are costless due to economy of scale and interoperable equipments made possible by standards. WiMAX can be used for back connectivity, fixed and mobile broadband internet access for data and voice using VoIP technology. WiMAX can support for TDD and FDD also. Because WiMAX is based on wireless technology and because it is cost effective, it is easier to extend broadband internet access to suburban and rural areas. This helps in bringing wireless broadband to the masses and to bridge the digital divide that exists especially in developing and underdeveloped countries. And WiMAX and Vibro comparisons when comparative of 802.16D and 160E. It is a measure of the bandwidth range is in WiMAX 3.5 MHz to 10 MHz, but it in this 802.16E 8.75 megahertz to 10 megahertz, and also it provides a QPSK, quality of the public switch communications and quality of services, and the 32 Mbps in megahertz and 1 Mbps to 75 Mbps of the gross data rate of multiplexing level. Also frequency is also 2.3 GHz, 2.5 GHz to, and finally 3.5 GHz initially, less than 2 months at least when comparative. So this new technology and existing operators may also attempt to use Vibro to offer differentiated personal broadband services such as a mobile environment, the flexible channel bandwidth and multiple level of quality of service. Support may allow Vibro to be used by service providers for different type of mobile applications. So finally, a combined fixed and mobile WiMAX network may be defined to reach previously inaccessible areas and implement the broadband wireless network. And this is the simple program to see the nodes representation of throughout India level, how it is going on to the Vibro communications in upcoming of the series. Here I am giving that the one package, that is the import network X as NX. NX is the variable and the network X is the package, and import matplot lib dot pyplot as plt. Matplot package I am retrieving here, and G is the graph equal to NX dot read weighted edges list. Here is the read weighted edges list is the method in graph level, and edge list I am getting of data. I'm already I defined in some of the text oriented of data like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Guwahati, and these are the text level I was described there, and it is the separated by the delimiter of equal to space, and the population I was described earlier a span of cities. And finally we have to set the population attribute for each of the 14 nodes of our I in the list. That is the loop iteration g dot nodes of a population, and nx dot draw next to x, that is the label of the true, and here this line allows us to visualize the graph plt dot show off. Okay, so later we are going to see the result here. Once I can execute of this program, and this is the program. And this is the program, and just now I am executing right now, pressing F5, and it gives like this. So here see here, and the two different level I am approaching here. See, when deep of the specifications I can visualize here like this, and if it is a distance there, then look it like this. So, okay, thank you.